Okay, today we're going to launch the Fathym no-code recipe and set up a pizza website. Okay, here's my website created with no code. And here's what I can click to launch the builder. Okay. So I'm going to remove some of the default pieces in here and add my own stuff. Okay. Okay, this is a pretty good start. Now down below here I could start adding in pictures for, the different items on the pizza shop. And then down here I could put prices if there's some deals and stuff like that. Maybe even put some things about, who's working at the pizza shop. This is a pretty good start. So let's deploy this back to Fathym and see it live. So now if I go back to my site here, and here's my new site. So I can continue to dial this in based on my needs, but this is off to a great start. Okay, so the final thing I want to do is I want to change the subdomain so that it's a little easier to use for Pano's Pizza. I could also go, buy a domain name and then point that CNAME record over to that shared URL if I want to use just a full domain. But this subdomain will work great for my purposes. So now I see it's been updated, panospizza.fathymit.com. Let's launch it. And here we go. So now this is a URL that I can share out with my customers and my friends. So that concludes this demo. And it really shows how easy it is to use Fathym and Fathym's no-code website builder to get your project up and running quickly.